cauliflower chutney. In our language we call it as cauliflower bajji. It is a very good chutney where you can take for lunch along with rice or during dinner time along with chapati or paratha, etc., or dosas, etc., etc. The procedures and all are very simple. Anybody can prepare it, and I think in each and every our Brahmin homes, instead of cauliflower, they use variety of vegetables for preparing the same. And here I am using cauliflower as the main ingredient for preparing cauliflower bajji. Let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. Little asafoetida, a piece of tamarind, little turmeric, salt to taste, and 4 green chilli ripe, little Bengal gram, little curry leaves, a piece of jaggery, and half coconut scrape. Plus I am adding around 150 to 200 grams of cauliflower. Now my pan is preheated and I have already added little water towards it, and towards it we will first add this tamarind, then this asafoetida, then this jaggery, this turmeric powder, salt, this green chilies, ripe green chilies, this Bengal gram, this curry leaves, now this coconut scraped, and finally this cauliflower. See, cauliflower. Let us get it cooked in a low flame because we are going to cover this pan. I am adding little more water. You should see that everything gets synced inside this. Now once the water boils, everything gets cooked, then I'll tell you the next procedure. We'll just switch off the gas and leave it set aside so that it gets cooled down for another 10 minutes. Everything has cooled down. Now this particular cauliflower and masala, we'll grind it with the help of a mixie. I'm going to garnish it with little coconut oil. It gives an added flavor as well as taste. So nice to be with you. Thank you.